Welcome back to NeoEnglish, your daily podcast for learning English with real news stories.
Today, we're talking about a big news story. A major crypto bill failed a key vote. The article comes from Axios.
Don't worry if you don't know these words. We'll explain everything step by step.
Let's start with the word crypto. It is short for cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum.
A crypto bill is a proposed law about cryptocurrencies. For example, rules for how people can use or control them.
Another important word in this article is stablecoin. A stablecoin is a type of cryptocurrency, but its value does not go up and down a lot. For example, USDT or USDC are stablecoins.
Yes, and the news says, a major crypto bill fails a key vote. Let's break down this sentence.
The phrase fails a key vote means that lawmakers, like senators, were supposed to vote yes or no to move the bill forward. But most did not agree, so the bill did not succeed.
That's right, so the law did not move forward in this early step. In the article, it says this was an early procedural vote.
Procedural means it's about the process or steps of passing a law, not the final decision. For example, before making a law, there are many small votes first.
Now let's talk about the background. The Democrats, one of the big political parties in the US, want to stop former President Trump from making money from stablecoins.
So, there is a fight between Democrats and others. Democrats want rules so that Trump or people like him cannot profit or get money from these digital coins.
The news says there was a bipartisan effort. Bipartisan means both sides, both major parties are working together.
For example, if both Democrats and Republicans agree on something, that is called a bipartisan agreement. Or, when two people with different opinions work together, that can also be called bipartisan.
So, to recap, there was a new law being discussed to control stablecoins. The first vote did not pass, which makes it harder to create new rules.
Some words and phrases we learned are crypto, cryptocurrency, stablecoin, bill, vote, procedural, profit, bipartisan, and to fail a vote.
You can use bill to mean a plan for a new law. For example, they are writing a new bill about schools. Or, the bill will help protect the environment.
The word profit means to make money from something. For example, she profited from selling her old bike. Or, the company profited from the new software.
Let's use these words in a short story. Yesterday, the US Senate had a procedural vote on a new crypto bill. This bill wanted to make rules for stablecoins. Some lawmakers wanted to stop anyone, like former President Trump, from making a profit from stablecoins. The vote did not pass, so the bill failed. This made it harder for both Democrats and Republicans, who tried to work together in bipartisan fashion, to change the laws.
Another way to say this is, there was a plan to make new laws about digital money that is more stable. But in an early vote, the plan did not succeed. Some people are worried that this will let others make money in ways that are not fair.
That's all for today's story. Remember the key words: crypto, stablecoin, bill, profit, bipartisan, procedural, and fail a vote.
If you want to learn English with us every day and not miss the latest news, make sure to subscribe to NeoEnglish.
See you next time. Keep practicing your English with real news and real conversations.